Welcome to this tutorial on how to utilize QinPrinting book inner page templates in Adobe InDesign. Download the inner page template you want from the QinPrinting website. You'll see a single page template for the right page, a spread page template, and a single page template for the left page. Open Adobe InDesign, input the size and number of pages, select facing pages, and set the bleed to 0.125 inches. In the new document, in the Pages panel, select a parent choose file and then select the PDF you just downloaded and input 3 in the range. Center the placed PDF. You'll see all pages displaying red bleed lines, blue trim lines, and green safety lines. If you don't want to use facing pages for design, or if you've downloaded a book that can't be set as facing pages, like Wire O or Spiral Binding books, where all 3 pages in the template are separate page template, you can set up InDesign as follows. In the new document setting, don't select facing pages. In the new document, create a new parent called bParent. On a parent, place the PDF template for the second page. And on bParent, place the PDF template for the third page. You'll see all pages are the same as a parent. Now right-click bParent, choose Apply Parent to Pages and input all even page numbers into Pages. All even pages are the same as bParent. When you start designing, it's recommended to use Japan Color 2001 coded for color settings. Also, create a new layer and place the layer containing the template on top. When designing, ensure images are in CMYK mode and have an effective PPPI of 300. You can find information about images in the Links panel. Extend the background image to the red bleed line. It's recommended to place all important content within the green safety line. When setting colors, use CMYK mode. After designing, hide the layer containing the template. Choose File, and then Export Save as Adobe PDF format. In the Settings panel, select High Quality Print. Under Marks and Bleeds, choose Use Document Bleed Settings. Under Output, select Don't Include Profiles. Open the saved PDF. Choose File, then Properties, then Fonts. Ensure all fonts have the embedded subset symbol. You're ready to create stunning book inners with ease. Happy designing!